Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we'll be dealing with percentage profit and loss. Percentage profit and loss. Percentage profit and loss. Remember what profit is. By formula, profit is selling price minus cost price. The amount you bought something and the amount you sold it, selling price, amount you sold it, cost price, amount you bought it, or what it cost you to get it. That's the cost price. So if I have a greater selling price, then definitely I'll have a profit. But if my cost price is greater than my selling price, then I'll have a loss. So in that case, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So what do we talk about the percentage now? How do we calculate the percentage? Now let's take it one after the other. Percentage profit. To calculate profit percentage, that's equal to the profit made all over cost price multiplied by 100. So this is the formula to calculate profit percentage. Now what about profit loss? Profit loss is similar. Loss all over cost price multiplied by 100. So tag this formula and install them in your memory. Profit percentage and loss percentage. So profit all over cost price multiplied by 100, and in the case of loss, loss all over cost price multiplied by 100. Let's take two examples to exercise this formula that we have on the screen. So let's take example number 1. Example number 1 says Mr. Daly bought an item of which the item we are not told for 7,500 naira, and sold it for 12,500 naira. 12,500 naira. So the question asks, what is the percentage profit? What is the percentage profit? So this is the question. So let's get into the solution by applying the formula we've earlier learned. So the formula, since we have seen that the selling price is greater than the cost price, so we will need to first of all calculate the profit. So the profit says SP minus CP. Don't forget, SP is selling price and CP is cost price. So since the selling price was 12,500 naira, so the cost price was 7,500 naira, so the profit is 5,000 naira. So 5,000 naira, that's the profit. So we need to calculate profit percentage. So what is the percentage of this profit? So the profit percentage is equals to, we said, is profits all over cost price multiplied by 100. So profit is 5,000. So let's put in the values of the parameters of the formula. So profit is 5,000 divided by cost price. Cost price is 7,500 multiplied by 100. So 0 comes 0. So we have it like this. So I can say 5 year 1, 5 year 0, 5 year 0, 5 year 0, and I'll say 5 year 1. I mean that 2, 5 into 25 is just 5. So I have 1,000 divided by 15. So profit percentage is equal to 1,000 divided by 15. So I can still reduce it to the lowest term by saying 5 year I will have 3, and then 5 year I will have 2, 5 year is 0, 5 year is 0. So that is 200 divided by 3. So if I divide 200 by 3, I will have 76.84%. So let's say 76.84%. So the percentage of the profit is 76.84. So let's take example number 2. Example number 2 says a store sells a shirt for 8,000 naira, which was bought for 12,000 naira. So the question is asking, what is the percentage loss? The percentage loss. So let's get down into the solution. So seeing that the cost price is greater than the selling price, the cost price is 12,000, but it was sold for 8,000 naira. So that means the cost price was greater than the selling price, and that is, and if the case, loss is incurred. So loss is cost price minus selling price. So since the cost price is 12,000, subtract selling price from it 8,000, and that gives us 4,000 naira. So the loss is 4,000 naira, but we need to calculate the loss percentage. So remember the formula: percentage loss is equal to loss all over cost price multiplied by 100. So the loss is 4,000 all over the cost price 12,000 multiplied by 100. So 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. So I'm left with 400 all over 12. So this is 400 over 12. So I can say 4 here 3, and then 4 here is 100. So 100 divided by 3 is 33.3. So 0.3%. So 33.3%. So this is the percentage loss. I believe you understood everything we did in this video. Bye bye. See you in the next